Oblalotak, Kanuit busy. Today is Friday. What day? All day today, let's be responsible. Always try to do our best, cooperate with others, and let's treat everyone with respect, including ourselves. So, this week we have been talking a lot about empathy, and I was just thinking empathy is just like a superpower. You know how? So imagine Spider-Man climbing up those big buildings, using his power and doing all sort of those fun things and destroying the enemies and stuff, right? And he has that superpower, like he can climb up anywhere, he can, swing through with his spider web and stuff. And then there is Superman who can fly for like distances, and he's really strong and he can beat up his enemy, and that's his superpower. Thor gets his superpower and he's the strongest man, and he gets his superpower from his hammer, right? And Iron Man, he gets a superpower from his suit. He can fly, he can destroy things, he's powerful and really strong. So all these superheroes have all kind of superpowers, right? But guess what? You have a superpower too. Did you know that? If that's empathy. So if you guys can learn how to be an empathetic person, that is your superpower. You know how? Because you have the ability to understand how somebody else is feeling. People might say that, it would be fun to read somebody else's thought, or just imagine if you could literally, or if you can read or listen to the thoughts of somebody sitting next to you without them saying it out loud. Wouldn't that be cool? But even better would be understanding how that person is feeling. So to understand how somebody is feeling, you need to be very observant. You need to make sure you understand their body language, you look at their facial expression, and you are listening to them, and you are trying to be understanding and not being judgmental. All these qualities make you empathetic, and when you are empathetic, you have a superpower called empathy. So I hope you guys use this superpower today in your class and outside the school. So as we talked, empathy is like your superpower. So you know how Spider-Man's superpower helps him climb up the buildings real quick? Empathy can help you make a lot of friends. It can help you be more engaged in class. It helps you with communication skills. It helps you in your studies and helps you achieve high academic achievements. Makes you less aggressive. Helps you be a good leader. You know how? When you are empathetic, you communicate well. Now listen to this. 2 examples, okay? I come into the classroom, I'm sad and I'm mopey and I don't want to talk to anybody. And somebody else comes and tell me, Surmeet, can you just stop being mopey? And then there's somebody else who comes and tells me, Surmeet, you look really sad. And are you okay? Can I help you? Which sounds better? The second one, right? Because this person who said that, are you okay? Can I help? That person was showing empathy. And I would want to be friends with that person other than somebody who said, just stop being mopey. And that kind of sounds like the person was judging me for how I was feeling. So when you're empathetic, you are less judgmental. You understand what people did, why they did, and it makes you less angry. And it makes you way more understanding towards others. It helps you in classroom engagement. When you're empathetic, you're able to connect with what teacher is teaching way more than when you are less empathetic, because you focus more, you are really good at listening, and your attention is on your teacher, and you do really well. I hope you learned a lot about empathy this week, and I really hope you can use this superpower to pay more attention in class and make more friends. And it's time to announce the Husky of the Week. Drum roll! This week, Husky of the Week is Angel She has been attending school regularly beginning this month. She has shown positive behavior and she is actively participating in classroom discussion and activities. We are so proud of you, Angel. Keep up your good work. I hope you guys have a fabulous weekend and have a great day today. Happy learning and happy Friday.